Woohoo! Third time's the charm, so let's go!
The Enrichment Center is required to remind you that you will be baked, and then there will be cake.
Yes, cake! But I still think it's a lie. So we need momentum again. Okay, I don't like this water. How about I put it up there and fall down? Yes. And now I need to place it at the wall. Oh no. It's too fast. I need to place the orange... No, the blue one. Alright, no. Blue one on the wall right away. Whoop! I did it! Oh, I landed on top of that thing! I'm so good. That thing's the camera. Ooh. Secret room again. Down. I like the radios. But why is one in here? Down. Anything in here? Doesn't look like it. Just like before. Whoop. No. Oh no, I shouldn't fall down there. Alright, okay. Not, never, but how? What? Courage is not the absence of fear. That is right. How can you be courageous if you're not even scared of it? Like, what's so courageous about doing something that doesn't scare you? You get it. I just want to get through here, please. Thank you. Down. Alright, we need to get up there. And I guess jump into a portal like this. I hope it works. And swoosh! Yay! Oh no. Oh no. Down.
The Enrichment Center is required to remind you that you will be baked, and then there will be cake.
Cake! Yes. Alright, so place the blue one right away. Whoop! Yay! Oh, I didn't do it this time. Nah, I don't need the radio. So, this seems like a good spot. And again, swoosh! Yes, it worked this time. So, let's go up there. Step by step. Yes. Whoop. Oh. Ah. Here. But momentum or no momentum? That is the question. So, okay. So let's take some momentum and woo, physics, yeah. So where's the box? I need a box. No, what am I supposed to do there now? What? Oh god. What is this? I don't want to be caught in there. Alright, check out the area again. What is this?
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
Alright, then I'm just gonna die. Here. Just gonna go here and die. Oh no, I'm safe in here. Oh, thank God. No! Okay. I'm safe here, at least. So... now I'm trapped in here. Anything over there? Whoop. Nope, just some safe space. No, I'm not here. They're still so cute. Little murder machines. Oh, wait. Oh no.
Don't shoot.
Don't shoot. Okay, they can shoot through the portals. No, god damn it. I can't pick it up through the portal. No, no. The jumping was slowed.
Activated. Target lost.
Alright, I somehow need to destroy those. Oh, now I got an idea. This boinky lights. Maybe they can destroy the sentries? The little cutie robots. And the moment of truth. Yeah! Boink! Alright. Swoosh. And next one. Oh, sheesh. Over there. And even more over there. Nice. No time wasted. Alright, I did it. Easy.
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
So what am I supposed to do now? Does the boinky light... yeah, it needs to go there. But how to do this? No, that's not good. There's a radio. I heard it. Somewhere in here. Oh, there's some floor. Yes. Alright, so where do I want to fly? I guess... no, this is not enough momentum. But I don't see anything else that makes sense. So let's try it. And... whoop! No. I mean, I thought that would happen, but... yeah.
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
Go away. But maybe if I try it again, it'll work. Ooh. No. Third time's the charm. Wait a moment. No. No, no. No, that won't work. Well, third time's the charm. Ooh. Ah, so close! No, I must keep doing it. This is the hardest one yet. No! No, it's not working. So what now? Maybe up there? No.
Vital testing apparatus
Shut up!
destroyed.
Don't watch me fail. I don't like that. Spinning. I mean, if I could press that button again, it would be easy. But like, this is the same button, probably. But I can't reach it. Why? I've got one last idea, for now at least. If I can somehow get onto that platform, then maybe. This might be too much momentum, but let's try it. Oh, yeah, okay. The platform's too high.
Vital testing apparatus
Shush!
destroyed.
Damn it. Okay. Oh no, now I get it. Okay, so I looked that there's a button here. And I guess the button will make the elevator work. So, I need some boinky light. But I can't reach the button from here. Huh? Well, that's bad. Whoa! Yes, just be quick. Now the elevator's working, the sideway elevator, you know. Whoop! Finally.
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
So, I guess I can press the button down there now. But what for? Ooh, alright. Alright. What does it do? Ah, yes. Do it again. Yeah? Oh, okay. Once again. Whoop! And place the orange one down there quickly and woo! Momentum! Alrighty. So. Oh, I got my box now, of course. And elevator. Yes, I got it. So, the only thing in this level that made me lose my temper a bit was this goddamn button that doesn't look like a button. And I think I placed the wrong portal. Yes, I need to go there again. Oh man. Never rage. Rage only leads to more frustration. Whoop. Oh no, wrong. Here. And jump. So, press it. And let's go. Finally, we're back. So just for this goddamn red button. I could have collected some cameras and put them there. They should be heavy enough. Whoop. Alright. Ooh, another one.
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
Ooh, this is cool. And I think I know what to do already. Because that's what I just did, but just for fun. Ooh, and... Ah, no, wrong. No, it was the right one. Always switch... Oh no, I lost my momentum. God damn it. No, I want to do it in one sweep. So, yes. Alright, alright. Blue. So next I have to place orange. Whoop. Yes, yes, this is fun. Ooh. Whoa!
Well done. Be advised that the next test requires exposure to uninsulated electrical parts that may be dangerous under certain conditions. For more information, please attend an Enrichment Center Electrical Safety Seminar.
Alright, let's visit the seminar. Where can I apply? So, level 19.
Welcome to the final test.
The
When you are
final
done,
test.
you will drop the device in the Equipment Recovery Annex.
No.
Enrichment Center regulations require both hands to be empty before any cake.
Hands need to be empty before I eat the cake. That's not cool. I guess this won't work, but let's try it. Yes. Ah, okay, I see. Spawn a new one, please. Oh, alright, then don't. Oop. So. Okay, so... Oh, the elevator's gone. But I don't need it. Hehe. That's how you do it. Oh, there's no going back. I got rid of it.
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
Alright, alright. Whoop! Cake! Cake!
Congratulations. The test is now over. All Aperture technologies remain safely operational up to 4,000 degrees Kelvin. Rest assured that there is absolutely no chance of a dangerous equipment malfunction prior to your victory incandescence. Thank you for participating in this Aperture Science computer-aided enrichment. Goodbye.
How do I get out of here? Alright, let's just... Whoop! Alright! Whew.
What are you doing? Stop it. We are pleased that you made it through the final challenge where we pretended we were going to murder you. We are very, very happy for your success.
She's a
We
smart
are
one.
throwing a party in honor of your tremendous success. Place the device on the ground, then lie on your stomach with your arms at your sides. A party associate will arrive shortly to collect you for your party.
I wouldn't even know how
Make
to
no
do
further
this.
attempt to leave the testing area. Assume the party escort submission position or you will miss the party.
Oh, there's a door. I can't use the door. Alright, so it's time to end the video, unfortunately. See you next time. Bye bye.